Good day everyone, and we went to SM Mega Mall. Nabili namin tong mga local foods. We have bagnet chicharon. I bought two kasi masarap yan. And then we have banana chips, bagoong flavor from Cagayan de Oro City. And they have these chips na may banana boko na dried chips. Mix siya guys. And we also have pastel from Camiguin or Cagayan de Oro. Meron na din silang hopia guys. So bago to, and we also have pork jerky and beef jerky from Cagayan de Oro. This is from Bulwa. We have lukban, lumpia, and this vinegar is from Manila. Ito yung garlic and chili. We have this tinapa from Cavite. And then we have lukban